Warning, the following video has salt. If your sodium levels are already high, you shouldn't watch this video. Thank you.
Hello, Joe.
Hello, Joe.
Say something about it. Alright, you just got my message.
Joe is going to be a
That's me.
Guys, what do you think Joe's gonna be?
That was wholesome. God damn it. I wanted something to be mean. No, that doesn't say Boba Fett. That says,
Damn it. I forgot to change. I'm still kidding. No one told me. I got no perks.
Okay, it looks better on this.
Fuck, I got nothing.
I think that's not Boba. That says Ethereal.
Hey.
I get mine's wrong,
it's a
but
fucking
3's an
Bubba.
E in any other situation. But I get that hit
got nothing.
every day. Oh, there we go. Oh, basement. Basement Bubba? Oh. Basically, we
I'm
win
going in the
these.
basement, so...
I've seen Spook and Jukes win these, so I should win these, right?
No, I don't think so.
I'm not as good as him.
No.
He's really good.
He walked back out.
Well, he doesn't say so.
I don't have any
He's
pokes,
better
so I'm kind
at
of fucked.
Bubba than I am. He understands how to use the chainsaw around objects better than me. I don't know why he did that. This guy could not break my ankles. He can break my ankles if he had a Louisville Slugger. I'm just gonna say it like that. Flat as possible. He should have gone. You should have gone for
Well,
the
if you're close to
save.
the basement in the main building, of course he's gonna bring you
It's a
down.
basement party and you're all invited. You guys consider the basement my pants. And
But
there's
if
a
he can
party.
bring you to the base, Luke, if he's gonna bring you to
You're
the
all
basement,
invited.
he's gonna bring you to the basement.
All right.
We either buy another hook though.
I think the best part is I'm really not even camping him. Oh. So crow fly there. Is that from me though?
Camping.
What is going on here? Thanks, Nightbot. Oh shit.
Did you?
Oh, why would you stop?
Nice Kobe. Holy shit.
Nobody Kobe, I don't think.
No? Did they get you?
Yeah.
That was the elusive Boba Fett.
I'm on a pallet.
Hello. Okay, we hit him over the head. We Luke Skywalker his ass. I don't think I make that.
The heck out of here.
He's actually not struggling, so we do make that.
Here, reset.
He DC'd.
Oh shit.
Oh crap.
Alright.
This
Oh,
isn't
guys.
fair now.
I wasn't even camping it. I kind of proxied a little bit, but it wasn't that deep. Oh, hey, what's up? Thanks, man. I appreciate it, dude. The guy raided me twice, actually. What's going on, Muffin? Everyone that's joining, I'm doing the Adept Challenge. Oh, Jesus.
No.
I had a stroke right there. I'm doing the Adept Challenge, but...
The quicker we get out of this game, the faster we get in a new one.
Hey, thanks for the cheer.
This
I gotta
guy's a
finish
joke.
this Mega Pint before I go to bed. It was up to here. Man, I'm drinking a lot of this. Holy shit. This Mega Pint is a whole bottle of wine. An entire bottle of wine I have to finish before I go to sleep tonight.
Yeah, he is.
So that's pretty neat. Hoping it happens. I'm not gonna go to sleep until I do it. Yeah, the glass is kind of bluish.
Here too.
If I hit this one, you guys can see a little better. It's the size of my head. Yeah, I promise that's red wine. I bought another bottle of red wine for tomorrow.
No, he's not.
I will
He
be doing
left.
Hey, come on
mega
in!
pints of red wine.
This Jen,
Thanks to
I'll
the
come
follow,
get
every
you.
follower gets an
I'm gonna
Oreo
die,
toast.
though.
Yeah, grab
You're
one
gonna
out
kill
here.
yourself? Okay, I'll try and find half.
I have a very, very big glass. It
Oh,
is,
wait.
it is
I
monstrous.
accidentally saved myself.
Oh my
Just missed your next skill
Here's
check,
a
and
no average muffin.
we'll kill you.
Thank you. Wow. What's up, Biddy? He's way too wholesome. No, you know, I'm trying to be the most wholesome one. Thor? Oh. Yeah, I'm not Fat Thor though. I'm sorry the game was like this. I really wasn't trying to do it. I'm just trying to get a depth.
He's going for a depth. Don't let him get it.
I just want to depth Baba. No. I'm not trying to camp or basement Bubba anybody. I just want to depth. It's happened to both of you guys were by the basement. Feels bad. Alright, hey, go to sleep. you have a real stream to do. Tomorrow, I'd imagine. Wow, these doors are far. I'm not even gonna try. That's not true. I'm gonna try. If I can manage to somehow pull this off, pull this win out, then awesome.
Well, you might get lucky.
If somehow this gets me a depth, it'll be a miracle.
Oh, get it.
Oh, over here. Neat.
Nope.
Awesome. Oh, baby. Oh, that was a speed perk going, or speed add-on. Baby. Alright, I don't think I'm gonna get in depth because of the DC, which is kind of whack. That should count for me.
The guy's streaming. He's going for a depth.
GG's. GG's. Gonna hop back in that guy's chat and say GG's. Something he's a little upset about it. I don't think I got it.
Fucking voice
Right?
timing.
I didn't get it, did I?
Not have any pokes either.
No. How sad. Me? It can't be me, right? I didn't camp anyone, bro. Oh, that's funny. That's really funny. My God. I'm not gonna argue with him. Hey, well, GG's.
He says he wasn't.
It's really to this guy. GG's to this guy. Only one that didn't talk shit. Everyone else are buttheads. Dude,
Sure,
decent.
I guess.
My
Whatever.
God.
People are gonna play how they're gonna play, right? I mean, he's going for a depth, so whatever.
LMAO.
Good for him.
All right. Jeez.